Hey guys, welcome back. Without using your camera or microphone, your phone can still scan for nearby compatible devices in the background. And the reason is one Google setting that many Android users never check. In the next minute, I'm going to show you where to find it and why you may want to turn it off. Open the main settings on your Android. Scroll down and tap Google. Now tap All Services. Go to Connected Devices and Sharing. Then open Devices. Look for an option with a name like Scan for Nearby Devices, Device Connections, or Connection Level Signals. The exact name depends on your Android version and your phone brand, such as Samsung, Xiaomi, Motorola, OnePlus, and others. If you find a setting that scans for nearby devices and you don't use features like Automatic Device Discovery or Fast Pair, you can turn it off. Why does this matter? This feature allows your phone to look for compatible nearby devices so certain Google features can connect more quickly and work more smoothly. If you rarely use those features, there's little reason to leave this background scanning enabled. Turning it off won't make your phone completely private, but it can reduce unnecessary background scanning and gives you more control over how your phone interacts with nearby devices. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more practical Android privacy and security tips. Thanks for watching.